f of x is shown on the graph here. At -1, we're at 0. At -2, we're at -2. This is a line that connects these. And then at 2, we're at 2. So the line connects from -1, 0 to 2, 2. And so this is the graph of lowercase f of x. Let capital F of x be the antiderivative of lowercase f. We want to find f of 2 minus f of -2. So this is just a fancy way of saying find the integral from -2 to 2 of lowercase f of x dx. So that just means find the area from -2 to 2. So we're going to break this up first from -2 to -1, and then from -1 to 2. So this is a triangle. The height is 2, the base is 1. We do 1/2 base times height. And keep in mind, this is below the x-axis, so this should be a negative. And then plus, now we want to find the area from -1 to 2. So this is another right triangle. The base is going to be 3. So we have 1/2 base, and then the height is 2. So the 2's are going to cancel. We have -1 plus 2's cancel, 3. -1 plus 3 is 2. So f of 2 minus f of -2 is going to give us 2. Next question. We have the graph of h of x. So we want to find the integral from 0 to 2 of h of x plus 3 dx. So I'm only going to graph from 0 to 2 because it doesn't make sense to graph everything else. So at x equals 0, it's y equals 2. At x equals 2, it's y equals 0. So you just have a line like that. Okay, so this is our h of x. So I can split this up into two separate integrals. Now I want to find the area from 0 to 2. So this is going to be this right triangle, base 2, height 2. So it's 1/2 base times height. Now this is just the function y equals 3 from 0 to 2. So find the area of this function from 0 to 2. That's a rectangle, base 2, height 3. That's obviously 6. So then we have the 2's are going to cancel. 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, lastly, we have a function f of x. So from -3 to 0, it's going to be +3. Or sorry, from -3 to 1, that's going to be +3. So this is 3 here. And then from 1 to 5, it's going to be -1. We want to find the average value of f of x on -3 to 5. So for that, the formula is going to be 1 over b minus a, integral a to b, f of x dx. For us, b is going to be 5, a is going to be -3. So we have 5 minus -3, integral from -3 to 5, f of x dx. 5 minus -3 is 8. Now find the area underneath the curve here. This is just a rectangle. The base is 4, height is 3. So that's 3 times 4 is 12. And then this area, we have the base is 4, height is 1. That's going to be 4 times 1 is 4. But because it's below the x-axis, it's going to be negative 4. 12 plus negative 4 is 8. 8 over 8 is 1. So the average value on this interval is 1.